YouTube? Eric DIY and Zach here once again with another great review for you. Today we're going to review the Quickplay Pro Bench for sports. The Quickplay Pro Bench comes in 3 different seating styles. They have a 4-seater, they have a 6-seater, and they have a 9-seating bench. This is the 6-seater that we're going to demonstrate, but I just wanted to let you know that they do make them in smaller and bigger sizes. The Pro Bench itself is pretty compact over here. It folds up to that size and it goes in the included carrying bag, which is held like a backpack. Zach, try putting that thing on like a backpack. So it has 2 straps, and that's how you take it to the field. We've used it in a number of games so far, and it's really come in really handy for us, right, Zach? So as you can see with the compact size, it's easy to carry around, but let's see how easy it is to set it up. Okay, Zach, here we go. You can see that as we bring it out like that, it folds out, and then you can sit right on it. 6 seats to support the whole team. Go team. It's also useful as a couch if you want to use it for camping. I'm just saying, it's a secondary thing that Zach and I will probably use for after the soccer season. But Zach, how you feeling right now? He's chilling like a villain. You could have a grown adult on the side and it's not going to lift up. It's very, very sturdy. We've had all 6 seats occupied at one time while playing soccer. It's been great. It's been really good. It's not just for soccer though. You could have this for any type of sport. Football, baseball, kickball if you will. Any sport that you could possibly need it for. The bench is made out of this heavy canvas. It's almost like a camping chair material. It's really comfortable to sit on, and it's reinforced by steel beams. So this thing is not going to break easy at all. We've used it for a lot of games this season. We're all in 1st grade here, Zach, right? Right, and as you know, 1st graders sometimes, if they're sitting on the ground and they have balls out there, they're gonna fool around, whereas the bench has kept them a little bit more under control and with more attention during the games. At the end of the game, the bench is really easy to put away. Zach and I do it every single game. Let's show them how it collapses again. Really, really easy. Just have it go together. And Zach, what's your job during the game? Get the bag. He's going to hold the bag open. I'm going to put it in. All right, putting it right in the bag without leaves. Awesome. And then after you have it in there with the legs, just lift up so it fits in all the way. And that's it. You're good to go. It has a drawstring on the side. You can wear it like a backpack on your back. Get it off the field. There you go. Taking it off and on the field is very easy to do with the Quickplay Pro Bench. Quickplay Pro Bench, we like it a lot, don't we, Zach? We do. Pros, it is very easy to set up. It's very quick to set up. Comes with that nice carrying bag. Cons, the only cons I would say is it's a little heavy, but let's face it, it's a bench for 6 people, so it's not a real big con at all. Other than that, it's a 2 thumbs up for the Quickplay Pro Bench. If you'd like to purchase your Quickplay Pro Bench, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.